Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have another unboxing to share with you. This is a Chanel bag, as you can see, and this was actually purchased from another YouTuber and Instagrammer, Luxury PL38. I will link her information down below. She has a ton of really great videos showing her amazing collection, so yeah, definitely check out her channel. So this is a bag that I had the opportunity to purchase when it came out last year, and I declined it. I don't know why, and then regretted it afterwards, and then it was too late. And luckily she had the exact bag in the exact size and color, and it's in brand new condition. It was never used. So yeah, so anyway, I will unbox it and you can see which bag it is. So it came nicely packaged. This is a true unboxing. It arrived like this and I have not opened it yet. It's in a large Chanel box. Some tissue. I'm really excited to see it again because it was almost a year ago that I saw it in the store and did not purchase it. So here is the dust bag, and then the care booklet to reveal. Here is the iridescent white cocoa handle in the size small. So it's one size up from the mini. So this is the same size as my So Black cocoa handle, and it's also in the chevron, and it's got silver hardware. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It's yeah, I really wanted another cocoa handle in this size. I have one in the mini and then one in the small, and I actually prefer this size. It holds a lot and it's really great for every day. And I just loved this iridescent white color. I do have the pearly white reissue in the 226 size, but it's more of a warm white, almost like a cream. This one is definitely a cooler toned iridescent white, especially with the silver. So I don't know if it'll pick up the iridescence, but it's really, really pretty, and it's definitely a different tone from my reissue. So it's still got the plastic on the hardware, which I will remove off camera. I'm not going to do that right now. And then here's the interior. And here is the strap. And the back pocket. So the interior of this one, it's fabric and it's this kind of beige color, and it's got the zipped compartment and then the back zip, and I will show you the authenticity card. It is a 28 series. So yeah, it came just like new with the felt and everything. So I thought, especially because she lives close to me, so I was able to purchase it yesterday and get it today, which was amazing. And yeah, it looks like it's in perfect condition. It's just such a pretty white, and I don't know why in the store I wasn't in love with it, but then afterwards I thought to myself, oh, I'm gonna regret not purchasing that, and sure enough, I did regret not getting it. So I was really lucky to find it. I was stalking Fashionphile for a while, but it's quite expensive to purchase from them when you're in Canada, so yeah, this is gorgeous. I love it so much. So thank you so much, Luxury PL38. And thank you for watching. I'm going to keep this really short. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.